about diatonic triads in harmonic minor. So I'm using A minor like we did for our natural minor diatonic triads because it's a nice easy way of seeing how it all fits together. So remember, in harmonic minor scales you raise the 7th scale degree by a half step. So in our A minor scale, our 7th scale degree is G. So when you raise it a half step you get G sharp. So what this means now, within our triads that I still have drawn from our previous video, we need to go in and add a sharp to every G that we have. So we've got one here, we have one here, and we have one here. And if you were in a different key, say a key that's primarily flats, you might end up raising with a natural sign, or you may end up raising with a double sharp. It all depends on your key. But in this case, because we're in A minor, our 7th scale degree raised is G sharp. So now that we've added our G sharps in, we have to go back and change the quality of these particular triads because now they're not the same because we've altered them all by a half step. So our third here, third triad, we now have a major third on bottom and a major third on top. So this is going to become an augmented 3 chord. And we'll keep the capital 3 there, but add a plus sign to show that it's augmented. For our 5 chord, we've raised the middle note by a half step, which now makes it major. So we'll change that to a capital 5. And lastly, we've raised our bottom note in the 7 chord, which is going to shrink it and make it diminished. All right, and then all of the other triads stay the same. So we have 1, diminished 2, augmented 3, minor 6, minor 4, major 5, major 6, and diminished 7.